This is professional vehicle cleaning at any location. You're on the Winning Edge Car Wash mobile detailing channel.
All right, let me look at it real quick. Yeah. It needs quite a bit of wipe down and stuff.
My max was 230.
230? I mean, we can go 230. That's cool.
There's a pollen here.
Oh, yeah. You'll be happy with it, I promise.
Winning Edge Car Wash Mobile Detailing brings professional inside and out car cleaning right to your location. From deep interior cleaning to a spotless exterior finish, we handle it all so you can sit back and relax. No lines, no hassle. We come to you fully equipped with our own water, power, and premium products. It's convenience and quality in one service. Visit our website to request your next service date. We look forward to making your vehicle shine.
Go back over it with that up.
It's been a long time since I've looked inside the car. I looked at it, I was like,
It's all good, bro. We got it right. So as long as you happy with it, we good to go. What's up, y'all? We is back with another one. I was on my way to help a friend at the airport and take care of some business out of town in Orlando. Pulling up to the airport right now. Nothing too major. Gotta be of assistance to those who assist you. While I was out, I decided to look up a good food spot. Anytime I'm out of town, I don't like to go places that I already go to normally in town. So we checked out Eggs Up Grill, then slid over there to Icon Park. Yeah, that's too high. Checked out some of the scenery, made some plans for my kids, and happened to see that there was a jerk festival going on. It was kind of early, it was kind of bright, it was kind of hot. Definitely was looking forward to getting out of the sun, but y'all can see it was all kind of food. I had me some good lemonade while I was there, and it was so good I had to give me 2 cups because it has been a very hot summer so far. Come to this at nighttime, but it don't be open. I think it's 8 o'clock. Yeah. So. All right. So finally, the best part of the day, going to the race shop where I like to be.
Unknown driver 11-4. Unknown driver 10-7. Unknown driver 10-5.
Yeah, it's not as quick as right. We have Newberry. In the rear and the front, however.
Unknown driver 18-5.
Now, I do have a
All right, what's up, y'all? I got Mr. Ricky here, the owner of Full Throttle Raceway in Orlando. I'm passing through. I always got to stop and do something with racing and whatnot, because that's my whole life. But I'm gonna let Mr. Ricky talk to y'all and tell y'all about his shop. And y'all come visit. I know about the Jacksonville area and the Tampa area, so y'all come visit Orlando and run your Mini Z. So, all right.
So what's up, guys? We are Full Throttle Raceway. We are Central Florida's only and premier track and hobby shop. Have a good one, Rashad. We've been up and running for almost 2 months now. We're membership based. Just wanted to provide a place for the people in Orlando and surrounding areas to be able to come race and enjoy themselves. Beat the heat and come in and get some laps in, man. So, come check us out. We have cars for sale. We have cars for rent. And again, we do offer a membership program that allows people to pretty much come in here at any time. We're open 7 days a week. Come and get your laps in, hone your craft, hone your skills, and join the community.
All right, so I'm gonna ask all the questions that everybody gonna ask. What days are the race days? And it was another thing. Oh, the membership. Can you explain that?
Yeah, absolutely. So race days here are on Wednesdays. Wednesdays is more of a friendly competition. It's really about honing your skills and learning your line. So we focus on racecraft class, which is a 50% throttle class, then stock class, and our Porsche classes. On Saturdays, it's a little bit more competitive. That's where we run all of our classes, from stock to lipo cars. And we get some pretty fast racers here from the area. So check us out on those days. As far as how the membership works, we have 3 different levels of membership. We have the bronze, the silver, and the gold plans. Each plan just gives you a certain amount of access to the track. For the most basic plan, which is included with all ready sets, that's the bronze plan. You get 4 practices a month and 1 free race a month. And if you just purchase the membership alone, it does include the transponder and everything you need to get racing.
I got you. And I didn't ask about the rentals. Do you guys offer any rental cars for people to come and try it out and whatnot?
Yeah, absolutely. So on any practice day, you can come in and get a car for $20, race for 2 hours. We supply you with batteries, all of the parts that you need in case something breaks, and tires. We'll get you logged in the system so you can keep track of your times, and everything is broadcast live so you can actually go online, go home, and review what you've done for the day. On a race day, you can rent a car for $30, and that includes your race, the car, your batteries, and everything you need for the day.
I'm about to get a rental Mini Z. My first time visiting Orlando. Mini Z track.
Raw shot 11-2. Unknown driver 235 left. Left. Raw shot 16-8.
I just rented a car. I just rented the shit out of it and didn't break nothing. So y'all come check him out, support. I like the track. Y'all can see it in the back. What is it? Full Throttle Raceway.
Yep.
Yep. And I'll be back for sure.